Last week on Three Themes at Three, we were inspired by Christmas cookies from Grace Gaylord, aka the Graceful Baker.
Those cookies are really so amazing. They are so detailed and beautiful. I think I would just eat them before I was done.
Oh, absolutely. I'm right there with you on that one. And after watching all of her videos, we were then inspired to make an apron from tea towels, a gingerbread man pillow, an I Spy snow globe, and an ugly sweater quilt block. And we finished strong with our own ugly Christmas sweater fashion show.
That is something you definitely do not want to miss. Be sure to catch 3 at 3 live every Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time.
I paid good money for it.
Or watch it on demand on Facebook or YouTube by clicking the link below.
Come learn and have some fun with us on Three Themes at Three, where we always have something to make you smile, something to learn, and something to discover. Let's go!